This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a stable fat-protein matrix. Heat the milk and butter gently to 60-65 degrees C so proteins relax and fats liquefy. Once done, add the grated cheese in batches while stirring to avoid clumps. This gradual addition promotes a smooth emulsion. Make sure to keep the heat low, too hot will separate fats. Stir for 5 to 8 minutes until the mixture is uniform and glossy, because a proper base prevents graininess later. Now you stabilize the mixture using emulsifying salt. Dissolve it first and stir it in to bind calcium and allow proteins to hold fat, which yields that classic smooth whiz texture. Once incorporated, use an immersion blender in short pulses to homogenize. Don't overblend, as heat rises. Taste and adjust seasoning. Mustard or annatto can boost flavor and color. Make sure to keep the mixture at a warm, controlled temperature so the emulsion remains intact. Finish by transferring the hot cheese into containers and sealing to avoid skin formation. Smoothing the top ensures even cooling. Let it rest at room temperature briefly, then chill for 4-6 hours so the emulsion sets and flavors meld. If the mixture separates or becomes oily, don't panic. Reheat very gently to about 50-55 degrees C while whisking and add a small amount of warm water or melted butter to re-emulsify. Make sure to whisk steadily and stop once texture is homogeneous to avoid overheating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.